the extended storytelling script. Okay, let me share with you one amazing church stage design by Porter Sear from Real Life Church in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Thanks for bringing this out there, Porter. Travis decided he wanted his Christmas sets real simple, yet soft on their new backdrop, making him luck today. Two chose white coroplast material, mainly wrappers at Home Depot branches across all purchase. Hang rooms they got here have Grow Product Spring 5 Touch Remote Seasonal and Short Supply Whole Time, so even just really easy get 4 corrugated half 9 roll package aluminum foam cool tape. I guess Sam's Club was a better source. Hot black torquing heavy or lightweight. Gaffer wrap case. Both love places find good variety products, always keep you ready. Budget, affordable, cost-effective solution option. Multiple choices items. What do you feature need? They bought 6 little rolls of very special high-quality wire made for hanging loose strands cotton stuff. Large pack Walmart big competition, but cheaper actual price 50 pounds jumbo cotton strings. They shopped shopping stores online. Then checked Selena Max bar lights, maybe already stock some other things firsthand at PlayStation Sports Store. Almost forgot to take delivery on 2 new smaller ones. Needed 95, left finished purchase around 25. We got total material spending $125 except light brand, which was all same fixtures, so that $90 those each light fixture. They also 1/2 x 4 by 15 feet piece plywood painted complete top black brown surface color getting brackets. Both these sides put extensions back wall help level out. What's best idea kept thinking during project looked great, just wish took care time more detail little something later definitely. Now let them cut up big triangles. Longer sides use white wrapper stuff. Coroplast cost by weight 5 times together save. Did trim pieces overhang middle rows, leave 2 tallest middle lower halfway outside edges. Turned out really good staggered look to begin. Aluminum foil tape covered fuse strips. Glue Elmer multi-purpose back couple inside ones. Be careful cuts not overlap, stick together, then tacked them neatly. Thumbtacks left fold strip each triangle for safe connection before finally hung. Fixings made their wrapping shiny smooth finish. I think people will agree this design super unique because material used was going save paint cover it black, so they very happy found use coroplast instead. And wow, falling snow now main created effect. Got cotton ball lines, fishing wire hanging around different levels. String head hang white shining small little bulb lights. Christmas strands warm colors all LED done color match too. Whole room came dream winter wonderland just from stage. Bonus tip: when using chorale background projection screens, match your soft present. Choose similar colors in order matching set together. The details of how to create a stage design like this are all in the video's description below. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.